Hi, 你好. I'm Dr. Wu. I'll be your instructor for this course. Welcome to Chinese 101 online learning experience. In this course, we'll be using eCampus to manage our learning. In this video, we will briefly discuss how to navigate through the course site. As you can see here, this is Chinese 101. And on your left-hand side here, we have different tabs for you to click. The first one, scholarships. Our Chinese studies program partners with National Sun Yat-sen University in Taiwan to offer you scholarship to study abroad. We strongly encourage you to consider the opportunities. If you want to know more details, you can click here, scholarships, and it will take you to this page. And right here, you can see what you will get from the experience. And if you scroll down, you will see 3 videos that introduce the learning at the National Sun Yat-sen University. I hope you will be interested in this opportunity and send me an email. We can set up an appointment to discuss more details. And you can go for 1 semester or the entire academic year. When you are at National Sun Yat-sen University in Taiwan, you'll be able to earn 4 courses that will count towards your Chinese major. And then next, on your left-hand side, you can click here, syllabus. It will take you to our syllabus page. As you can see here, if you click this, you will be able to read the details of the syllabus. But if you scroll down here, you will find my email address and also the grading overview, which is also included in the syllabus. So let's click this. It takes you to our syllabus. Please do take time to read through the syllabus. In the beginning, the first part of the syllabus introduces the general information about this course, including my information and our teaching assistant information and our textbook. If you scroll down, you will see the details, weekly schedule for you to follow. So please do take time to read through the syllabus. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to let me know. And now let's go back to our course site. Next, you can click here, make appointment. Here you can make appointment with me, which is your course instructor. Or you can make appointment with World Language Resource Center to practice speaking Chinese. In our Chinese studies program, we have 4 teaching assistants. 2 of them right here are our graduate teaching assistant, and the other 2 are our tutors. They are very friendly and then they are eager to help you. So if you ever have any questions or you simply want to talk about Chinese culture, Taiwanese culture, or you want to practice your Chinese language, please do send them an email and they will set an appointment with you to practice Chinese language. Next, here you can click and you will find our Zoom link. Here we include 5 Zoom links. One is for myself. If you want to meet with me online, this is where you will come. You will make an appointment with me and then we will meet right here. Or you can set up appointment with our teaching assistant GTA or our tutors. And this page is to give you convenience access to our Zoom classrooms. The next is Voice Thread. Voice Thread is a website that our program uses to practice speaking. For example, although you are learning online, we still want you to practice speaking skills. And in that case, we use Voice Thread for us to record our questions and for you to record your answers. If you click here, you'll be able to see the video that teaches you how to set up your account right here, the explanation about how to set up your account with VoiceThread. And also the video will teach you how to record your answers. Next will be setting up your pinyin input. Chinese language can be input through pinyin. Pinyin is a phonetic system for Chinese language. If you click here, And then here again, it will take you to 4 videos depending on the devices you use. If you are using iPhone, this will be the video you watch. If you are using Android, then you will click on this. And if you are using PC, then you click here to learn how to install your pinning input system. And here will be the introduction to installing pinning on your Mac. Okay, so next, let's take a look the modules. We have 8 modules in this class. The first 2 modules are introductory courses, which will introduce you to Chinese culture and Chinese characters. As you can see here, we have due date here, August 22nd. And module 2, the assignments are due on the 29th of August. From modules 3 to 7, those are chapter language learning modules, and each of them has 1 due date. And module 8 also has its own due dates. So total, you have 8 due dates in this course. However, do not wait until the due date and try to do all the assignments within that modules. In other words, each module that has several assignments, they are due all together in the end of that module learning. However, since there are multiple assignments, please do not wait until the last day to do the assignments, because practically that wouldn't be possible for you to finish everything within 1 day. So I would say, while you are enjoying the flexibility of online learning, you do want to keep in mind, you want to pace yourself. Maybe you do spend an hour or 2 every other day to do your Chinese assignments. That way, you can successfully finish all the assignments within that modules before the deadline. Your first assignment is due on August 22nd. So please do make time to do your homework. Let's take a look at module 1 as an example. When you click in, first of all, you will see the schedule for this module, which is also available in syllabus. So you start with the title of the modules and then the date. So for this module, you have about 6 days or 4 days to finish the assignments. And so we have to learn. That means the materials you have to read or watch or to listen to. And we have to submit. The first submission is your speaking practice. And because for module 1, there's no quiz, so there's no quiz submission required. But then you have to submit the writing assignment. For this one, it will be a short essay, 300-word essay. So if you scroll down a little bit, here is the to learn part. The black ones are to learn. So you're gonna watch the videos, for example. You click in, and there are several videos for you to watch under the title of Introduction, Language and Cultural Videos. And let's go back to the previous page. And you'll watch the videos embedded in these folders. And for the red tab, that means you are going to submit your assignments. Let's take a look at this one as example. So you have several speaking practice. Again, we are using VoiceThread. Before you do this, you should come over here, right here, set up your VoiceThread to learn how to record your answer and how to set up account with VoiceThread. You are going to need this throughout the semester. Okay, let's go back to the previous page. And what is also due for this module is your reflection paper. As you can see, both assignments, all the assignments within one module are due on the same day. So we due at 11:59 of the date specified. In this case, it will be 11:59 on August 22nd. And that goes the same with the rest of the modules. Let's take a look, say chapter 2 as an example. If you click in, again, you're gonna see the schedule for that module first. And then you have the to learn part. For example, for grammar points, if you click in, you'll be able to watch videos that explains the grammar point of the chapter. Please be sure to watch them. They are helpful And then if you click here, the blue part, you will see the PowerPoint slides that are used in the videos right here. Okay, let's go back to the course site. For module 8, it is a module that checks for your learning. It is not the final exam, but it has the similar function to evaluate your learning, because the check for learning is not due until later, and therefore for this one, on your end, you will see the tab here, but when you click in, you probably don't see anything, because the content will become available when time comes closer. So that is the brief introduction to our course site. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'm so excited to work with you this semester. And if you want to meet with me on Zoom to discuss study abroad, or to discuss Chinese major, or just anything, please do send me an email. Thank you very much again for choosing Chinese 101. I look forward to working with you this semester. Bye.